You are watching Siyabonga Sangweni Youth Month Festival Nandi Bola.
It has been an amazing experience. I had fun. I scored a penalty, something I've never done before. So it's very nice, and I enjoy. I would love to do it again, maybe next year. Well, I've never been a goalkeeper before. It was my first time, so it was like, yeah, finally. Well, to my sisters, they are my friends, they're my sisters, my cousins, they're my everything. I want to say, it's the fight that I want us to keep on going with, support and achieve more. Thank you.
Siyabonga Sangweni Youth Month Festival Nandi Bola.
Sine injection esibiza ngokuthi ulina Kepavel. It's part of indlela yethu yokuthi siyivikela kanjani ekutheni abantu abasha bangabi infected bebancane babe infected nge-HIV and AIDS. Kubalekile ke ukuthi sikhulume nani ngalokho ngoba okokuqala uma sithi umuntu akazivikela umuntu omusha sithi abstain, sithi be faithful bese sithi condomize. Kodwa phezulu kwakho konke lokho kuthathe sisibalile engikubalile kukhona nento ebizwa ngokuthi uPrEP. uPrEP iphilisi elidliwa umuntu ongakabi HIV positive. Udlela ukuthi ngoba uyazazi ukuthi mhlambe uexposed to impilo engagcina infected kuyona. Noma impilo ayiphilayo yena uyabona ukuthi impilo engagcina infected noma umuntu athandana naye umuntu ongagcina infectile. So sithi abantu ke abangene kuPrEP, kodwa before ungena kuPrEP uyazitesta ukuthi status sakho sithini. Uma negative siyakunikeza ke uPrEP. uPrEP amaphilisi adliwa usuku nosuku, kodwa kufunwa uwadle every day ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube protected. Ulina Kepavel uPrEP we-injection. Into enhle ngolina ukuthi ujova once every 6 months. Uphinde ubuye emva kwa 6 months ujove. So siyafisa ke ukuthi labo asebe active ngifuna ukugcizelela lokho ukuthi asithi abantu abasha bahambe bayocansini, sithi labo asebe active zikhona indlela zokuyivikela. Uma ngabe kukhona laba asebe active ikhona indlela yokuyivikela kuPrEP. Siyathemba ukuthi bazohamba bayothatha ukhona ema-clinic la clinic yethu iDondotha clinic is one of the few clinics anayo le injectable. So siyafisa ke ukuthi abantu aba-exposed bahambe bayojova. But okubalulekile nesik-encourageayo kubantu abasha okokuqala ngithe ukwenzani u-A umeleni nakho-ke first umuntu omusha must abstain. uB sathi umeleni engathani ukhonzileke kakhulu uB. uB umele ube faithful, okusho ukuthi uma usunopartner iba nopartner yedwa ubhekane naloyo partner loyo kuphela, bangabi baningi opartner. Manje kule insizwa lapha phezulu engathi ayivumelani nami. Anivumi? Hayi siyokungcwaba ke wena sesiready ukuthi siyakungcwaba wena. Onama 5 oJonas asibafuni bafowethu phansi ngoJonas phansi. Phansi ngoJonas phansi. Sithe A stands for B stands for C stands for ABC. Abstain, be faithful, condomize. Niphathe kahle abantu abasha. Sithe 1 round, 1 condom. Hola.
Sekelo wagqibela champion coach under 20 Roman United from all the way from Port and 40 siyabonga usikwazile unqoba izolo bathe silana under 13 and 15 and like 15 lost the first game under 13 lost the game to ama semi final official was so painful abantu babonile izolo abanye zakhale Nyembezi but today Nyembezi amawela ngaphansi under 20 made it happen guys thank you very much this is our trophy and our check 10,000 I forever grateful for this man I'm 25 years old but because abantu abano 20 years 25 years thank you very much for the opportunity I'm much appreciated
ngibonga ithuba engiphelele wena igama uSandile Masuku udlala Young Arrows ngithanda ukubonga ithuba ngithanda ukubonga nomsebenzi engiyenzile kodwa ngiyenzanga ngingedwa ngiyenze ne-team ukuyimisela ukubambisana ne-team yabonga ngithanda ukubonga abesupporter no coach kanye nama-fans ethu ngithanda ukubonga ithuba abasinelo no coach uzisifikela yabonga